Are you tired of just getting by? Wondering if there's a way to break free from the paycheck to paycheck cycle and build the life you've always dreamed of? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the 10 best side hustles that can supercharge your income in 2025. And stick around till the end because hustle number 10, it's the one that could change your life overnight. Setting the stage, why side hustles matter. Let's face it, the cost of living is skyrocketing, and traditional 9-to-5 jobs often leave little room for dreams. But here's the good news. The era of the side hustle is here. Whether you're looking to crush debt, save for your first home, or fund a luxurious vacation, there's never been a better time to invest in yourself. Because here's the thing, waiting for someone else to fix your financial future, that's a risk you can't afford. The 10 best side hustles for 25. Number 1. Freelance writing. If you've got a way with words, freelance writing is your golden ticket. Websites, blogs, and even brands need content, and they're willing to pay for it. Imagine earning $500 a week just by writing on topics you already love. Doesn't sound too bad, right? But don't wait too long. The demand for writers is soaring. Number 2, online tutoring. Got a knack for teaching? Platforms like VIPKid and Tutor.com can help you turn that skill into cash. Here's the kicker. You're not just limited to academic subjects. Love playing guitar? Teach it. Fluent in Spanish? Teach it. People will pay for your expertise. Number 3, drop shipping. Ever wondered how people make money without even touching a product? Drop shipping lets you sell items online while someone else handles the inventory and shipping. It's like running a business without the hassle of a warehouse. Think of it as e-commerce for the savvy entrepreneur. Number 4, social media management. Businesses are desperate for social media pros who can keep them relevant online. If you're already glued to Instagram or TikTok, why not get paid for it? The best part? You can do this from anywhere in the world. Number 5, selling digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates. Create it once and sell it forever. This is passive income at its finest. Imagine waking up to find you've made money in your sleep. Exciting, right? Number 6, event planning. Got a knack for organizing? Event planning can be both fun and lucrative. Birthdays, weddings, corporate events. People are willing to pay a big bucks for someone who can take the stress off their plate. Number 7, real estate side hustles. No, you don't need millions to get started in real estate. With platforms like Airbnb or Turo, you can turn your space or even your car into a money-making machine. Number 8, affiliate marketing. Love recommending products? Affiliate marketing lets you earn a commission every time someone buys through your link, and trust me, the income can add up fast. Number 9, becoming a virtual assistant. From handling emails to managing social media accounts, virtual assistants are in high demand. This hustle offers flexibility, high earning potential, and the freedom to work on your terms. Number 10, investing in yourself through skills. Here's the ultimate hustle, investing in yourself. Learn a high-income skill like coding, graphic design, or digital marketing. These are in-demand skills that can catapult you into a 6-figure lifestyle. The time to act is now. Remember, opportunities don't wait. Choose a side hustle, commit to it, and watch your life transform. And hey, if you found this video valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more actionable tips. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.